Alright, so it's been a while since we did big cooking and tiny kitchen. And believe you me, I've been doing a lot of cooking, but sometimes I'm not suitable for camera, so it doesn't happen. Yeah. But today I just finished with a meeting. I'm still dressed up, looking decent, zoom decent from here up. Decided to start doing some cooking. There's a bit of the vegetable soup that I made a few weeks ago here. Don't judge me. Don't know how questionable it is. It's supposed to be some kind of vegetable soup cleanse. I had to spice it up because I had to spice it up. Today, what we're going to be preparing is potato salad. Now, potato salad is a Southern classic, if you will, an American classic, possibly. This is the very basic method. First of all, we're going to put what I prefer, the red potatoes, and a couple of eggs to boil. I boil them all together. And now that I'm looking at it, if I've got 4 potatoes, is 2 eggs enough? Can't we add another egg? I think I will. So I'm gonna go into my tiny kitchen. See, the eggs are at capacity as it is because my neighbors gave me some. I'm going to drop them in here like so. Oh, okay, so it looks like I need a little bit more water. So I'll be back to you after they're done boiling and cooling. All right, stick tight. It's kind of self-explanatory, but you're gonna peel the potatoes. Mine got a little scorched because I forgot them. Cut off the burnt spots if you have them. Slice them in half. Then you're going to slice them again. You don't have to cut in your hand. That's probably actually not recommended. You're gonna slice it into like 4 pieces and then dice it, like going diagonally the other way. And you do the same with the eggs. If you have an actual egg slicer, super duper duper. Sharp knife is gonna make life a lot easier. If you are cutting your hand, which once again not recommended, make sure that you are very gentle. If you have a very sharp knife, after you've diced up everything, you're going to add the other ingredients: mayo, relish, mustard, just until you're making like
I'm not a professional cook, people.
A salad dressing
I don't have
consistency. In fact, some people like to mix all those ingredients up separately and then add them. I use also sea salt for seasoning and a little bit of Slap Your Mama because I put it in everything. So there obviously has run out of mayonnaise. I believe in it. Some people use yogurt or sour cream also. I'm going kind of light, so I did light mayonnaise. Totally up to you. Then you're going to blend them all together. A little adobo, a little sea salt, season to your desire. And yeah, infamous Slap Your Mama. You blend it all together. And then I like to smooth it out so it looks real pretty. And that's it, guys. Let it sit overnight if you want all the flavors soak in, or serve it right away. Either way, it's gonna be yum yum for your tum tum. Enjoy.